Let's discuss sequence and series. Sequence and series. Sequence, progression, and series. Any set of numbers, any set of numbers written down, separated, separated by commas, is called sequence. Any set of number you can written down separated by comma is a sequence. Just example: 1, 3, root 5, root 2, root 6, minus 1, minus 2. This or progression. When term of sequence follow some logic or formula, it is called progression. Just example here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a natural number. Another example is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the even number. Now series. When term of sequence and sequence or progression are added, we get series. When term of sequence or progression are added, we get series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, this is a series. This is a 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus. Now this is T1. T1 means first term 1, and T2 is two term. This and T1, this is the first term of this sequence. 2 and second term 4. And now this is the sum of n term. This is sum of n term. Sum of n term denoted Sn. Sn equal T1 plus T2 plus Tn. Now find Sn to Tn and Tn to Sn. Sn to Tn and Tn to Sn. So now just Sn will give T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus up to this Tn minus 1, and this is Tn, and Sn minus 1. This is T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn minus 1. And subtract Sn minus 1. This is the cancel, this is term cancel, this term cancel, and this cancel. Tn. Then you can read Tn equal to Sn minus 1. Let's give an Sn 3n square minus 2 to find Tn. So find Tn. So just you can write Tn equal to Sn minus 1. Sn 3n square minus 2 minus 3n replaced by n minus 1. N minus 1 minus 2. 3n square minus 2. 3n square minus 2n plus 1 minus 2 3 n square minus 2 minus 3 n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 2. This is 3 n square minus 2 minus 3 n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 1 to plus 1. 3n square minus 2 minus 3n square minus into minus plus 6n minus into plus minus 3n square 3n cancel. This is 6n minus 3. This is the tn and tn. You can also t1 written tn 6 and minus 3. You can t1 6 into 1 6 minus 3 equal to 3. T2 6 into 2 minus 3 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Now find given Tn to find Sn. So some properties of summation. Properties of summation. This symbol is summation. Sigma. Sigma. This name is sigma. This name is sigma. And this is the symbol of summation. Summation means adding. Just an plus minus bn all n onto n. You can separate it sigma just an plus minus bn. Just k into an, and k is the constant, then out of sigma this an. Third, yeah, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to, and we can written n into n1 plus 1 by 2. This is n square, just 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, and this formula n into n1 plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Fifth, n1 to n cube, just 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. n1 plus all square. This is k, and k plus k plus k plus up to k. This is n times n times n k. Just question Tn. Given Tn 4n square minus 2. Find Sn. So we find Sn. So just Sn, you can write T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus up to Tn. So this Sn equal to, then we can write n1 to n and Tn. Tn given 4n square minus 2. 4n square, this is n1 to n, and separated sigma, and 4 is constant out of sigma, kept in out of sigma. N square means n into n1 plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 means k is the 2n. Now, or AP, arithmetic progression. arithmetic progression. This is called AP. This is let T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. This is the AP. Now common difference, just common difference, common difference, just T2, this is comma, T2 minus T1, this is T3 minus T2 up to Tn minus 1. This common difference denoted D. Common difference CD equal to D, and D, and how D in next term minus just previous, next minus just previous, just example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, any term, just this 10, next just previous 8, 2, this 12 just previous 10, 2. Common difference always next the minus next minus just previous is equal, just 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 10 minus 8, 12 minus 10. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Now a general term of AP. General term of AP. General term of AP. The given first term equal to A, and common difference CD equal to D. So now general term just AP is the A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So how? General term, this is the T1 means on, just less than 1 less than, just 0 into D. This is the T2 means A plus just 1 less than, just this or 2, so 1 into D. Just T3 means A plus 2 into D. So now general term Tn, general term of Tn equal to A plus just one less than and minus 1 into D. This is the general term of AP. This is the general term of AP. A note, common difference may be negative, positive. Common difference are maybe positive or negative or 0. You can write you can write later just D greater than 0 or D less than 0 or D equal to 0. Common difference means D. Now some general term of AP, now summation of n term of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Just Sn means T1 plus T2. This is the A. The T1 means A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. The Sn, just you can A plus D, A plus 2D up to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Then Sn. You can the reverse side, just A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 2 into D up to A. Then addition. This is the addition. Sn plus Sn. 2 Sn. This A plus. This is the A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus A to n minus 1 into D. This term, this term, this term, this term, this term, this term. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is A plus D plus A plus n minus 1 into D up to A plus n minus 1 into D plus C. Taken A plus C, 2A, and this is n minus 1 into D. And this A plus C, this is 2A, this is D, and D n minus, this is n minus 1, this is 2, no? So this is 2D. A plus, this is A plus C, is the 2A to n minus 1 into D. So now 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and this is the 2A, and 2D minus D and D minus 1. This is the 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and plus this 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can write now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus up to 2. This is the 2n. This is 2n, and n2. This is the same. This term same. This term same. Also this term. This term is all are same. So you can write n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And Sn and 2Sn. 2Sn. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the summation of sum of n term. Or you can write another form. And Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can write n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus a. N by 2, a plus, this is L. L means last term. You can write, this is another formula. This is the Sn, n by 2 or a plus L. L means last term. Now some question, just example question, just AP equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then sum of this AP, so just Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But a, this term of a is the first term is 2, and d is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Sum and number of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n equal to 5. You can this formula as 5 is equal to 5 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 5 minus 1 or d equal to 2. 5 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 5 by 2 into 8 for 12. 6. 6 by 30. Also this term addition, just 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. This 10, 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Or you can also as n equal to n by 2, and a plus n. L means last term and number of term. Number of term n equal to 5. 5 by 2. A first term 2 and last term is 10. You can also 5 by 2 and this is a 12 is 6. 6 5 is 30. Just this is the AP. Now just AP is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The number just the ending from n. So, m turns from ending. Just m turn emitter from ending. How can find emitter from ending? Just ending to third term. You can tmth ending equal to m tm minus n minus m plus 1 from beginning. Just from beginning. Just this term, number of term 5 n equal to 5. Find from ending 3. T3 from ending. Ending. So need T3. So T3 ending equal to T n minus m and 5 minus ending 3 plus 1 from beginning. T 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 2 or 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then from beginning. So T3 is T3 means A plus 2D. So A is the first term. First term is the 2. D is the 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. And T3 from 6. Now another example, just 1 3 just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 5 6 7 term. So find second term from ending. You can write and you can 2 terms n equal to t n minus m plus 1 from beginning. So this is a number of term 7 n equal to 7. So you can write 2 ending t 7 minus 2 plus 1 from beginning. B I can short form. I can write certain BEG. Equal T 7 minus 2 5 or plus 1 6 and T6 from beginning. This T6 means A plus 5D. A first term is on 5 or D. D is 2 minus 1. Any 2 minus 1 D. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6 and T6 equal to 6. This is the second term from ending, but first term from sixth term from beginning. Thank you.